At Wisdom, Learning to Let Go, a relaxing animation short.
Look at these shiny cans on the shelf. Each one proudly says premium cat food with a picture of a happy cat. We're so sure that's what it is, aren't we? But just a while ago, this wasn't cat food at all. It was a tuna, swimming freely in the vast ocean, dancing with the sunbeams. Until one day, when fishermen said, "This is our catch." At the factory, these fish weighed in baskets. Have they become raw materials now? Busy hands transform what was once a swimming fish. What was fish became cat food. A new label, a new identity. From ocean to supermarket, this is the new identity. Dinner time. Yummy. The premium cat food has now become energy, fueling sweet cat dreams. Nature takes its course, and what was premium food transforms again. Yup. A farmer tends to their crops, not knowing they're nurturing the next chapter of our story. The journey continues through soil, sprouting plants, and eventually feeding small fish in the sea. Cat meditates, she sees the truth, everything flows in an endless dance of transformation. Cat wonders, what am I really? A cat? A meal? A bundle of experiences? Is this really cat food? Or is it just a temporary form in an endless flow? Even this tiny sprout isn't fixed, it's a moment in an endless transformation. The fisherman catches, but who really created the fish? The worker processes, but who really made it cat food? Fish, food, plant, all flowing into each other, none existing independently. Like frames in an endless film, life flows without beginning or end. What we call self is just a series of changing labels and conditions. Just let go. Let it flow, let it be. Thank you for watching.
Please like for more wisdom, subscribe for inner peace, share for good karma.